Ever wondered how professional makeup artists achieve that flawless finish? It's not just about the makeup products they use, but also the tools they wield. Among these tools, makeup brushes hold a special place. They come in a variety of types, each designed for a specific purpose. From foundation and concealer brushes for perfect skin, to eye brushes for that stunning gaze, each brush plays a unique role. So strap in and stay tuned to explore the world of makeup brushes. Starting with the basics, let's delve into the world of makeup brushes. These are the tools that are going to take your makeup game to the next level. First up is the foundation brush. Typically designed with a flat or rounded top, this brush is perfect for applying liquid or cream foundation. It helps to create an even, smooth finish, ensuring your foundation looks flawless. Next, we have the concealer brush. This brush is usually smaller and more precise than the foundation brush. It's designed to apply concealer in those hard-to-reach areas, like under the eyes and around the nose, covering up any imperfections. Now let's talk about the blush brush. With its soft, fluffy bristles and rounded shape, the blush brush is perfect for applying just the right amount of color to the apples of your cheeks. This brush gives you a natural, rosy glow. Then there's the powder brush. This is a larger, fluffier brush that's used to apply loose or compact powder all over the face. It helps to set your makeup and reduce shine, giving you a matte finish. Moving on to the eyes, there are a few different brushes you'll need. The soft eyeshadow brush is used for applying a base color, while the dense eyeshadow brush is perfect for packing on more intense color. The blending brush, as the name suggests, is used to blend eyeshadows together, helping to create a seamless, professional look. Next in line is the eyeliner brush. This small, precise brush is used to apply gel or cream eyeliner, giving you a perfect wing every time. And finally, we have the brow brush and brow comb. This dual-ended tool is great for grooming and shaping your brows, while also applying brow products for a fuller, more defined look. Now that we know the basics, let's move to the application. Knowing your brushes is just the beginning. Using them correctly is where magic happens. Let's start with the foundation brush. Its flat, dense bristles are perfect for a smooth and even application. Dab some foundation onto the back of your hand, then pick it up with the brush. Apply to your face in broad downward strokes. Remember, less is more, so build up as needed. Next up is the concealer brush. It's smaller and allows for precise application. Just dab the concealer onto your problem areas and blend. The key is to tap, not rub, to ensure the product stays where it's needed. Moving on to the blush brush. It's fluffy and rounded for a reason. Swirl it in your blush, tap off the excess, then apply to the apples of your cheeks in a sweeping motion towards your hairline. The same goes for the bronzer brush. Just remember to focus on the areas where the sun naturally hits your face. Now, let's dive into the world of eye brushes. Start off with the soft eyeshadow brush. Pick up some product, tap off the excess, and gently pat onto your eyelid. For a more intense color, the dense eyeshadow brush is your go-to. Apply the eyeshadow in a patting motion for the best color payoff. The blending brush is your best friend for a seamless look. Use it to blend out the edges of your eyeshadow in a windshield wiper motion. It's all about creating a smooth transition between colors. Precision is key when it comes to the eyeliner and brow brushes. The eyeliner brush will give you that sharp, defined line. Simply dip it into your liner and draw a line close to your lash line. For the brow brush, use short, upward strokes to fill in any sparse areas and shape your brows. Don't forget to comb through with the brow comb for a natural finish. With these techniques, you're one step away from a flawless makeup look. Choosing the right brush can be a game changer in your makeup routine. When it comes to makeup brushes, it's not a one-size-fits-all situation. The brush you choose can make a significant difference in the overall look and finish of your makeup. To help you navigate this complex world of brushes, let's delve into the topic. First off, makeup brushes come in two primary materials, natural and synthetic. Natural brushes, made from animal hair, are known for their softness and flexibility. They're great for blending and diffusing products, especially those that are powder-based. However, if you're vegan or cruelty-free, synthetic brushes are the way to go. Made from man-made bristles, synthetic brushes are perfect for cream and liquid products. They're also hypoallergenic and easy to clean. Now let's talk about shapes and sizes. Different brush shapes serve different purposes. For example, a large, fluffy brush is perfect for applying loose powder, while a small, dense brush is great for applying concealer. The shape of your brush can affect the precision and intensity of your makeup application. Size, on the other hand, can determine the area of coverage. A larger brush can cover a larger surface area, making it ideal for applying foundation or bronzer. A smaller brush, like an eyeliner brush, is designed for precision and detailing, perfect for creating that sharp winged liner or filling in your brows. But here's an important thing to remember. Your personal preferences and needs matter the most. If you're a minimalist who prefers a natural look, you might not need a dozen brushes. A foundation brush, a blush brush, and a basic eyeshadow brush might be all you need. On the other hand, if you love experimenting with different looks and techniques, a more extensive brush collection might be right up your alley. In the end, it's all about what works best for you. Take into consideration the type of makeup you use, the look you want to achieve, and your budget. Remember, the right brush can make a huge difference. So, don't rush in choosing your brushes. Take your time, do your research, and find the brushes that fit your needs perfectly. A clean brush is a happy brush. It's a saying that rings true in the world of makeup, because the longevity and performance of your brushes hinge on their upkeep. The importance of cleaning and maintaining your makeup brushes cannot be overstated. Each time you use a brush, it collects oils, dust, and bacteria. These not only compromise the brush's ability to perform, but can also lead to skin issues like acne, irritation, and infection. So let's keep those brushes clean and our skin happy, shall we? The frequency of cleaning your brushes depends on their use. Foundation and concealer brushes that are used daily should be washed once a week, while eye brushes and blush brushes can be cleaned every 2 weeks. Brushes used for powder products can usually go a bit longer, say every 3 weeks. Now, onto the cleaning process itself. You'll need a gentle shampoo or a brush cleaner and lukewarm water. Wet the bristles, then apply a small amount of cleaner. Gently massage the bristles to remove the makeup residue. Rinse and repeat if necessary. Be careful not to soak the entire brush, as this can loosen the glue holding the bristles in place. Once clean, gently squeeze out the excess water. To dry your brushes, lay them flat on a clean towel, ensuring the bristles hang off the edge to maintain their shape. Avoid standing them upright as water can seep into the handle, causing damage over time. For those who use makeup daily, consider investing in a brush cleaning mat or a brush cleaning glove. These tools have textured surfaces that help to deep clean the bristles without damaging them. And remember, every once in a while, your brushes deserve a little extra love. Consider conditioning them with a bit of olive oil or a brush conditioning solution to keep the bristles soft and prolong their life. So there you have it. A little effort can go a long way in maintaining the quality and performance of your makeup brushes. With proper care, your brushes can last for years. So, ready to achieve that flawless makeup look? We've traversed the diverse landscape of makeup brushes, delving into their numerous types and uses. Starting with the foundation brush, we've learned how it seamlessly blends your foundation to give you that perfect base. Then comes the concealer brush, your best ally in hiding blemishes and under-eye circles. The blush and powder brushes with their fluffy bristles help to add color and set your makeup, respectively. The world of eye brushes opened up a whole new realm of possibilities, with the soft and dense shadow brushes for layering, the blending brush for seamless transitions, and the precision of the eyeliner and brow brushes. We've also taken a look at the factors that influence your choice of brushes. The material, whether natural or synthetic, the shape and size of the brushes for different uses, and of course your personal preferences and needs all play a crucial role. But remember, owning these brushes isn't enough. We've discussed the importance of proper care and cleaning, preserving the longevity of your brushes, and ensuring a hygienic makeup application every time. So, there we have it. Your complete guide to makeup brushes and their uses. With this knowledge in your beauty arsenal, you're well on your way to achieving that flawless makeup look every time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy makeup application!